Hello everybody, just doing a simple tip video on spray knockdowns. Spray knockdowns, type of texture found in most homes built in the 70s, 80s, even 90s. You use a regular joint compound thinned down like a heavy pancake batter consistency. There's a lot of hoppers, sprayers out there you can use, but most hoppers work pretty well. Air compressor, hose, hopper, and regular joint compound. You basically just use a sprayer. You spray on the area kind of like you're going to do a splatter type texture. You splatter, spray the area. Nice consistent sprays. For smaller patches like this, you can use a regular 6-inch drywall knife, a nice square knife. You want to knock down with the square knife, at least the flattest part of your knife to knock down with. I always carry a wet damp sponge with me whenever I do knockdowns. That way I can clean my blade off and keep a clean blade. If your blade isn't clean or straight, it's going to leave scratches and it's going to pull and make flat marks. So that's why we use a straight knife and always keep it damp and clean with the sponge. 6-inch knives work best. I know a lot of guys use bigger knives. Maybe if you're doing a whole house and you're knocking down whole ceilings, whole walls, then you want to use a bigger knockdown knives. But on these smaller projects, trust me, using a 6-inch, straight 6-inch knife will be your best friend for this knockdown job. Just go ahead and spray your patch out. Spray it like a splatter. Nice symmetrical, vertical spray, horizontal spray, nice patch area, feather it out, and then just turn around and knock it down right away. A lot of guys say to let it set up. You knock down. You knock down lightly. You're not pushing down hard on the knife. You're literally letting the knife glide over the wall. No pressure. You're not pushing down on the knife. You're literally just gliding over the wall. That's why it's good to have a clean knife with a water on it, damp, so it just glides over it. You're just gliding over it, knocking down the texture that you sprayed on, the splatter texture. So it's just a knockdown splatter.